I'm reading for sign of Libra. So what you guys can expect for the next 72 hours. Hope you guys are doing well. I am not. I fucking hurt my back and could not sit for straight 3-4 days. Things are happening around, okay? Right now with Page of Pentacles in the reverse and the Devil card, right now you feel a strong attachment to someone, but you are not really wanting to make it work or really doing much about it. Rather, you are holding back with Page of Pentacles. You're not doing much about it, but you do feel a pull towards someone. You do feel attached, or you do feel attracted to someone, okay? So yeah, that's something I see now. So what's the main focus going to be like for the next 72 hours, Spirit? What's the main focus going to be like for Libra for the next 72 hours? One card, what's the main focus going to be like for Libras for the next 72 hours? Right now with 9 of Wands, you do feel hurt. Okay, I won't say that your romantic partner or your soulmate or whoever has hurt you, but you do feel hurt and you're a little guarding yourself, you're a little defensive, you're not really wanting to do much. I don't really see you doing much. I see you holding back a lot, within yourself, thinking why you had to go through so much. This 9 of Wands is a card where someone is going through a self-reflection of what he or she might have gone through in the past few days, okay, or weeks or months or even years. But I see it more like weeks, okay? But so I do feel like for the last 9 months have been a struggle for you, and you've been thinking of how much you have gone through for the past few weeks, okay? So yeah, with the Magician card, some of you are trying to manifest new things in your life, okay? So in terms of the past, give me one card for the past, please. One card for the past for Libra and their soulmate. One card for the past for Libra and their soulmate. We have death. So you guys did go through an ending. Okay, with 3 of Cups, it was more like a third party situation. If it's not a third party, then this person was like rigorously friend zoning you, not really giving you commitment, wanted you but did not really want to give you something solid. Okay, and that something might have ended, or you might have decided to let it go or drop it, or just change, just learn the lessons and make the necessary changes. Like you have finally decided to end it. That's the reason why you are in this 9 of Wands energy, where you feel hurt for going through all that BS in the past. Okay, with 6 of Cups, for some of you there is a soulmate coming in. I just told you last time, I'm going to repeat it. I do see a soulmate coming in. This person might be someone you've known or someone completely new, but I do see a soulmate coming in for Libras. Okay, so be open to that, darling. Okay, so like what's coming towards you now? One card for what's really coming towards Libra. What's really coming towards Libra for the next 72 hours, Spirit? What's really coming towards Libra for the next 72 hours? With the Strength card, someone will try to reconnect with you. They might use some seductive methods, like trying to tease you or trying to seduce you, or trying to post some pictures to get your attention. Not like completely seduce you, posting weird pictures, but like just post something to get your attention. With Strength card, this person wants to move things forward with you. Okay, with Ace of Wands, that clarifies the situation that this person is eagerly waiting to move things forward with you. This might be a completely new person. Okay, for some of you, this person might be a little younger to you. They could be having a fire and air in their chart: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Could also be a fucking Scorpio for some of you. Okay, so one card for your strength. One card for your strength. What do you need to look forward to? One card for Libra strength. What they need to look forward to. Yeah, so right now I feel you are going to be communicating a lot, and that is going to be one of your strengths for the next 72 hours. So I do see you communicating clearly and things moving forward in your life. After going through an ending, for many of you, I see you, your strength being you wanting to move on from that. 8 of Wands can also be looked at upon a card as where someone is wanting to move on from something from the past. Okay, 10 of Swords is at the bottom. Okay, so one card for what you need to look forward to or what you need to look after. In terms of like your relationship, what do you need to look forward to? Okay, with 6 of Cups, I do feel for many of you, there is going to be a soulmate. Just like I told you that your person or someone new is trying to reconnect with you. If you were into a third party and if that ended, that is a blessing in disguise, darling. Do not sit down and cry. there are many people out there who would want something real just like you. Okay, and they'd want to get into a relationship with you because you can give them something that they are wanting. And this person, whoever you were with, who put you into a third party, who did not take you seriously, that is not a loss. That's actually a blessing in disguise if you think about it. Okay, that person wasn't really giving you anything. They were just making you wait and wait. Okay, so yeah. So let's see now for your reading what's really coming forward for Libras. So one card for what's the overall energy going to be like for Libra and their soul for the next 72 hours, Spirit. What's the overall energy going to be like for Libra and their soulmate for the next 72 hours? One card for that, please. With the Hierophant, for many of you, commitments and your past lessons will be one of the main thought process of moving things forward. Okay, for many of you, I do see a commitment coming in. For many of you, your person is thinking about you in a long-term way. The Hierophant is not always about commitment. Sometimes it's about wanting to learn something, wanting to move things forward, wanting to finally know that you deserve better, and your value comes first, your image comes first. You are not really going for some shallow connections or connections that are just based on sex or fun. You want something solid, and that's going to be one of your main thinking process for the next few days. I do see you wanting a strong commitment. With the Fool card, I see for many of you a new person trying to take a leap of faith towards you. Okay, in terms of your soulmate's energy towards you, one card for your soulmate's energy towards you. With the Judgment card, this person is definitely trying to make a decision that they need to move things forward with you, and they will move things forward with you. If you have a person, like seriously, then I do see this person wanting to move things forward with you. I'm not talking about someone who has kept you into a third party. I'm talking about someone who has one-to-one connection with you, not someone who has kept you with multiple other people. That is bullshit. Okay, with Sun card, this person wants to give you attention, and this person does want to move things forward with you. Their energy is such that they have made their decision, or they will be making their decision very soon. Okay, in terms of their intentions towards you, one card for Libra soulmate intentions towards Libra for the next 72 hours. Yeah, in terms of their intentions, they are wanting to make a move towards you, and they are wanting to make a fast move towards you. This person is trying to come forward fast towards you. In the past, I see them with Four of Cups. They were not really, wanting to open up much. They took a lot of time. If this person is someone you've already known, if it's a new person, this person, you'll be surprised and shocked to see that how they are trying to move things forward with you, and this person out of nowhere will just start taking action. Okay, I see this person taking action for many of you. Okay, with the Moon card, in the past this person was hiding their feelings. For some of you, this person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you, one card for their true honest feelings for you now. Libra soulmates, true honest feelings for Libra. One card for that, please. Yeah, with the Knight of Wands, this person is more than interested, more than just attracted to you. This person is wanting to offer you a new beginning. With Ace of Pentacles, this person is looking forward for something strong. In the past, I see them being very dicey, like in and out of your life, or wasn't really sure if they should take a shot or not. Like they should they try towards this connection? Like, should they put effort in the connection, or should they just hold back? Okay, but I right now see this person wanting to make a move, wanting to give you attention. Okay, so what are they wanting to offer you now? What's your soulmate possibly wanting to offer you now? What's the Libra soulmate possibly wanting to offer you now? For some of you, after a long time waiting, like for some of you, it's after 3-4 days waiting phase, this person will finally make a move and offer you a stable connection. But they will wait for a while, okay? If they haven't made you wait, I see this person finally wanting and possibly confessing their love, okay? Like finally opening up. Okay, with Four of Swords, this person might have kept you waiting or kept you a little confused for the past 3-4 days. But do see this person wanting to make a strong move. Okay, and you will note that. And I see you commenting on my channel soon. Okay, so hope that shit happens. Okay, so one card for how do they feel when they think about you, when they miss you. Okay, how do they truly feel about you, Libra? How does the soulmate truly feel about you when they think of you, when they miss you? One card for that, please. This person has tried their level best to distract themselves in the past. With King of Swords, this person tried to behave extremely detached. Okay, like someone who is heartless, emotionless, insensitive. Okay, you name it. But I do feel on some which level that as much as they felt for you, they try to stay away from you. Like they were trying to not want to feel for you. Okay, and whenever they thought of you, they were trying to distract themselves. I see it very clearly. Okay, with Five of Cups, they do have regrets over it now. Okay, so what you can expect for the next 72 hours now, what you can possibly expect from your partner. One card for what can Libras possibly expect from their partner for the next 72 hours. What can Libras possibly expect from their partner for the next 72 hours. One card for what can Libras possibly expect from their partner for the next 72 hours. Yeah, this person is making a move now, and they are making a serious move. It's not like like they are offering you stuff for return sex or something. No, I see them like genuinely wanting to invest into you now. Okay, so how do they think of you now? One card for how do they possibly think of you? One card for like how do they possibly think of you now? This person definitely has regrets. Okay, they are not wanting to lose you. With Nine of Swords, this person in the past few days might not be getting proper sleep. Okay, they are wanting to confess something, like possibly tell some truth that you're wanting to know or you have to know in order for this connection to move forward. I do see this person speaking their truth, speaking their mind, and possibly confessing something. Okay, so one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward. Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Libra and their soulmate? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Libra and their soulmate? For some of you, I see big sudden changes. We have the Tower and we have the Temperance. Okay, so I see Tower and Temperance as sudden changes. Usually I see Tower as a breakup or someone just wanting to stay away and stay single. But the Temperance overall and the Tower at the bottom, I do feel this person will make some fast moves in order to compromise the situation, in order to bring in balance over the overall situation. Spirit, give me one more card for like where this connection is possibly moving from now. Where is this connection possibly moving in from now? Yeah, the Sun card. I see happiness, I see growth, I see forward movement. Okay, I see this person wanting to express and wanting to be their true self now. Okay, so what are they wanting from you? One card for what's the Libra soulmate possibly wanting from you? What's the Libra soulmate possibly wanting from you? Ace of Cups. This person wants you to take them back if it's someone you've already known, and if it's a new person, this person wants you to express their love and want to start this beautiful connection with them. Okay, it's the most beautiful reading I've got for you for the past few months, trust me. With King of Swords, this person wants to speak their mind, speak their truth. This person will express their feelings. In terms of action, what are they wanting from you? In terms of action, what are they wanting from you? I believe the other obstacles that were there in between the two of you have finally moved. Okay, and I do feel this person will express their feelings for you if they haven't. Okay, with the Emperor card, they want you to take control over the situation, and bring the two of you back together. With Six of Pentacles, they want balance with you. Overall, I see this person wanting balance with you. Okay, so one card for advice, for sign of Libra moving forward for the next 72 hours. This person is restless over you, darling. Trust me on that. I did say that for some of you that you will possibly end up a third party. Okay, with the magician, I do feel that you need to manifest. If it's the connection that you're wanting, you should manifest. You should move things forward. You should make it work. If it's something you're wanting, okay, and you should put in the effort if it's something that you were wanting. Okay, I do see big changes in your life. I love all your perfect imperfections. I try to distract myself from your thoughts. You are the best thing that happened to me are the messages from your person. So if this resonated with you in any which way, do hit the like button, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram on Divine Soul Tarot. If you're a Libra vibes only, and I've also started a twin flame channel. I'll be posting few general readings there based on twin flames on twin flame vibes 1111. Okay, I'll be posting all my Instagram links below, and personal readings are kind of little not doing them right now. All the past ones I still have to complete them, and I hope that things work for you. So far so good. I see this reading going well for you. I see the next 72 hours going well for you. Your person is wanting you to reconnect with them, to bring that vibe back that you guys shared. If this is someone you've already known, if it's a new person, this person wants you to take them seriously. Okay, so yes, this is your reading, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit the like button. Thank you so much. Cheers, guys.